we had talked about, like, we've been talking about staying on our deck all summer, and I think we wanted to do it early June, but then you hear people wait till, the frost is done, and you need certain days of certain weather. You don't want condensation in the morning, and then we heard you need 4 days forecast with no rain. And I get really confused with this because you can't stain in the sun, but you can't have rain in the next 4 days. How do you ever stain your deck?
Right, so that's a great question, and it's difficult. Sometimes I feel like it's difficult to string a few days of nice weather to Canada together. So generally, rule of thumb is if it hasn't rained for 24 hours and it's not going to rain for the next 24 hours, you're good to go.
Okay.
So if you're going to stain your deck on Saturday and it hasn't rained on Friday and it's not going to rain until, say, Sunday night or even Monday morning, you're good to go.
Good to go.
Don't stain in the direct sunlight, and make sure that there's no rain in the forecast for the next
And ideal temperature?
Ideal temperature is generally around 20 degrees, which again isn't difficult sometimes in Atlantic Canada.
Right.
However, it does when we get those hot, humid days, that product is going to dry really, really fast,
Right.
and it's not going to penetrate. So if you can get anywhere between 20 and 25 degrees, that being said, if temperature is going to dip below 12 degrees in the evening, you shouldn't be staining either.
Okay.
So we need to have a constant temperature above 12 degrees.
So in the middle of July, you're getting hot weather. If you stain before the high heat comes or later in the evening when it cools off, is that okay?
Later in the evening when it cools off, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. Staining before the high heat is touchy because if the surface may be
It'll still dry when the heat comes out.
You got it.
Gotcha.
You got it. You want that surface to be a little bit cooler.
Gotcha.